Right here with Skipper and Clark, small boat restoration. We're talking about a few of the features of this cover from SLO Sail Canvas. This cover, I don't exactly know what the material is, but it's more of a waterproof type material, almost plasticky. So if you're in the camp that wants to keep all the water off and it's not a breathable material, then this you can order this type of material from them. In the past, we preferred the Sunbrella, which will keep all the big stuff off. There might, heavy rain, you might get a little bit of water underneath. It does have a water resistant, Sunbrella has water resistant coating. This will keep it all off for the most part. But underneath, the issue we are concerned about is that it also will keep any type of condensation inside over time, which may not be an issue if you do like we did. We've taken the mast and put it on the splash guard to raise the cover up so air can circulate underneath there, and the cover is really only touching the boat around the deck edge here. And this also will help keep water from pooling in the cover over the cockpit. But we've got nice webbing sewn in here, and there's also an elastic drawstring that goes around with tie down points. In this cover, one of the benefits of it, you could trailer the boat like this if you wanted. And this also has a little pocket that'll come out, I don't know, far enough that if you wanted to put your spars on top of the boat and have them sticking out a little bit, well, I'll just pull it out and show you. There is a little pocket here that the spars and sail can go in there. So you could leave this is called a spars on deck cover. It's got the little Velcro here. Sometimes we do that if we're leaving on a boat on the beach and with spars sticking out. But as you can see up top there towards the bow, it is cut a little more material up there so you can leave the spars and the mast. Well, it's all spars, mast and booms on there. And then the cover comes down. If you get just your regular basic cover, you won't be able to do that. You won't be able to pull the cover over the deck edge there. So you have this option, and you also have an option where you can leave the mast up, and there's another little Velcro zipper type of item up there, abeam the mast that runs over to the deck edge. So there's a few options. You have material options, and then you have whether you want no spars on the deck or whether you want spars on the deck all laying flat, or whether you want the booms on the deck with the mast up. So give them a call. This cover came with just little webbing loops. This actually was gifted to our little boat Wave. SLO folks gave it to us after Wave's cover was destroyed in a hurricane, and it's really the cover that helped keep her from being swept away, because we had by the time the cover helped hold the boat in our shed so that it didn't get, because we had tie downs running through it to some posts. So that same covers on all the other boats kind of kept them from being swept off. So they work really well. Here's the adjustment for the, it's elastic except for here on the end, and you can adjust it as tight or as loose as you want it. So a lot of versatility. They've been real good customer service with us, and we use them anytime we want a cover for one of our Sunfish. And you can see we've got 2-3 others out there plus a few spares. Hope y'all are doing well. That about does it.